Hello you guys, this is My Wealth Robot here again with another video about affiliate marketing. Now this particular video is about another company that has an affiliate program, kind of piggybacking off of the last video that I did about affiliate marketing. This time what I found for you guys, this particular program is about buying and selling gold. Yes, buying and selling gold. There is an affiliate program for gold and silver, or whatever you choose to pick. Now, this particular one is called goldbroker.com, right up here. Let me see, we go down here. This particular one, it has a cookie. You might not be familiar with a cookie, which is what this is asking me down here. Cookie is something that certain websites use to kind of track what people are doing online as far as their spending habits, what websites are they going to, where they have been, and that's kind of basically what a cookie is. But what I really want to show y'all is how you can become affiliate for gold producers or gold sellers. You can become an affiliate. This right here, you can have if you sign up with this particular program, you could get 20 look like they said 20% or 2% of the sales price, you guys. Okay. That's the commission rate. Now, some commissions is higher than others, as I stated in other videos. No two companies are the same. No two affiliate companies are the same. Everybody pays different, okay? But this particular video, we're going to be talking about precious metals in this category, okay? If you were to be interested, you can just fill out the registration form, click the sign up button, and follow the steps that they tell you to follow, and you guys can easily become affiliate of this program. Now, with this particular video, 9 times out of matter of fact, you're probably going to have a website. So that means you probably would need to create a website, dealing with this sort of thing. Or you could go back to my previous video. It may be a way that you could take your affiliate link and take that and just use Fluo and just paste your affiliate link up in there and just run paid ads to YouTube and Google. Okay, but like I said, that method requires money, even though building a website also requires money, but for the sake of this video, this is for people, that's looking to have a passive income and is trying to replace their current income with something better. Okay, guys. Now, for the next one that I have found for you, is called Goldcore, the affiliate program. You can go to goldcore.com affiliate program /affiliate program, and this is what they have to offer. You see here, you guys. Now, this particular company pays out 25% of premiums, and they pretty much explain to you right here what it means. This means that if we charge a buyer 2% on a trade of $100,000, you will earn 25% of the 2%, or $500. You can be paid in Bitcoin, bank transfer, or PayPal. There are terms and conditions, see below, but no sneaky stuff. Okay, so you can this company right here pretty much laid it out for you. It's self-explanatory. How what they do and how they operate. You could come and check out this particular program to see if it may be it's a right fit for you. it would make sense. You know, I mean, gold and silver have always been money, so you know what I mean. It's really no loss there. It really isn't. Okay, the next one we're gonna go to is right here. We're gonna this is from ShareASale, which is kind of jumping ahead of what I wanted to tell you guys, but since we already here, might as well tell you. You guys, ShareASale is another platform that I was telling you guys about. Well, I was talking about there are other affiliate marketing platforms other than ClickBank. If you guys remember that video, well, this is the other one I was talking about that I couldn't think of in that one. It's called ShareASale, and it's the same as ClickBank. You know, you sign up, you join in, and you find products that the vendors post on here that you could become an affiliate marketer of, you guys. So if we could just scroll down here a little bit, you can pretty much see what it's about. And again, it's called ShareASale.com. So you have banners and text. They tell you how to incorporate your ads and everything. Then they tell you right here, affiliate programs, 3,900 affiliate programs, you guys. So I think it just about cover every niche, if I can if I say so myself. Again, right here, direct deposit. So remember what I told y'all a few videos back. You don't be afraid when a company asks you for your bank information. This is how they're going to pay you. Remember, this is what I was talking about a few videos back. Some companies will ask for a direct deposit. You know, they want to send you a direct deposit. Some give checks. Now, ClickBank offer checks and they offer direct deposit. But this particular platform right here is just strictly direct deposit. Okay. Now, if we go back here, you can see you can become an affiliate of this particular program once you get signed up under ShareASale. You know, you can earn up to $25 commission per sale. You know, and they have everything pretty much laid out for you. Anything, and you see what they have right here. Under 300, you get $1, $3, $10, $25. So some of them pay okay, some of them don't. Again, as I say, and I'm going to say in every video, please do your due diligence. Please be responsible. Please research. Do your research, okay? Do your own research, okay? On all these particular programs. Now, this is just the first 2 or 3 programs that I found that was kind of like the upper layer for you guys. So there are many more affiliate programs out there, you guys, that deals with precious metals and things of that nature. So if you want to, like I said, do your due diligence, you're more than welcome. Just use your Google and everything like that. Okay, you guys. So with that being said, thank you for coming on this video. Hit the like button, share, and I'll see you on the next one.